This is NPC Bikini competitor Sharlene Marte. This is Team Gear. Do you have what it takes? Because I know I do. Training delts is actually one of my favorite body parts, and I like to keep it fast-paced, high intensity, and I love to superset when I'm training delts because I love the pump. For bikini girls, we really don't need as much muscle mass as compared to like a figure girl, but you know, it's mainly tone and targeting that muscle group. Well, before I started competing or before living a healthy lifestyle, I was skinny fat. Like, I thought I looked amazing. I would look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, I look amazing. Until one day, I had my ex-boyfriend at the time take progress pictures of me. I saw those pictures and I said, I look horrible! Oh my God, I had a whole bunch of fat, and then I had these tiny little twig legs, and I was just like, I looked like a walking tomato with legs. So I started working out, I started seeing progress, and I'm like, oh my God, this is amazing. I just want to go to the gym again. I want to see more progress and more progress. And I got obsessed. The girl who would eat Taco Bell, McDonald's, go to Cinnabons. Oh man, for Cheesecake Factory, Junior's cheesecake at that, okay, and eat all types of dessert. You know, I gave that up because at the end of the day, I would rather look like this than, you know, not look good. The food only tastes good for 2 minutes. After that, it stays here. No, that's not for me anymore. I'm a week and a half out and I'm currently eating 6 meals a day, which I love my 6 meals. Lots of fish, okay? I'm not a fish lover, but my body loves it. My muscles loves the protein. But I'm feeling very great. Nervous, maybe a little bit, just a tiny bit, but I'm more excited than anything. Such a fun time training today at Bev's gym. It was awesome. I wish I lived close by. I would train here all the time, especially seeing all the bodybuilders and everybody living a fit lifestyle all training in one little place. Like, it's amazing. I'm a week and a half out of the Atlantic States. I'm super excited, can't wait to meet all the beautiful girls and step on stage. It's actually one of my favorite parts. And after that, I'm doing Team U, which is technically 3.5 weeks out. Yes, it is. I'm looking forward to that.